Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to take apart Hyundai Santa Fe key fob, full guide. Start by removing the emergency key and locating the seam with a thin, flat tool, then carefully pry open the case. Keep a soft cloth beneath the fob to catch springs and screws, and lay out parts in order as you remove them. Take photos during disassembly to simplify accurate reassembly at the end. Prepare the tools and safety measures before you begin to keep the process smooth and safe. A small flathead or plastic pry tool prevents case damage, and tweezers help manage springs and battery clips. Remove the battery with care and note its orientation, then set parts in sequence to avoid confusion. If a component resists, stop and reassess rather than forcing it, which can crack the housing. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car DIY guides. Quick recommendation: I use the Oala water bottle during long projects for easy sips and no spills, and it fits well in most cup holders so you won't lose your spot while working. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if it helps, grab one for your toolbox hydration. Now let's get back to the video. Work methodically through the disassembly steps to avoid lost pieces and frustration. Open the case at the notch and gently separate the halves, then remove the circuit board straight up to clear clips and contacts. Note spring placements and rubber button positions as you go, and clean contacts with isopropyl if needed. Insert a fresh battery, test button responses before closing, and then reassemble the case, ensuring all clips snap securely in place.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.